Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now we are crossing Kanmon Straits and our ship going towards Busan from Tokyo. See, everybody knows about the Panama Strait and the Suez Strait. This Panama Strait actually connect Atlantic and Pacific Ocean, and Suez Strait connects the Mediterranean Sea and Indian Ocean via the Red Sea. But this Kanmon Strait also very popular and highly traffic straits. But common people are not so aware about this strait. It is used by many cargo ships as a shortcut to Osaka and Tokyo from Korea and China, and vice versa also. See, this is the Kanmon bridge. It is a suspension type of bridge. This bridge is opened to vehicles on 1973 and it is amongst the 50 largest suspension bridge in the world. Its around length is more than 1000 meters. See how beautiful is this bridge. At night time this bridge is fully lighted and it looks more awesome. Once again, I request all my viewers, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then I will be more interested to make more videos. See the city, how it looks gorgeous. It is a nice place for tourists also. See here, plenty hotels, restaurants are there, and this place is very beautiful. Now it's evening and now it's look more beautiful. Here fireworks festival is very famous and it is held in August every year. So anyone interested to come here, please don't miss. See the night view of the city. It's so beautiful. It is mainly the tourist spot now and plenty hotel and restaurants are there. Before ending my video, I request all my viewers, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.